If you don't like unexpected surprises but still live in Toronto, then brace yourself. It's been a wild night. A severe storm has hit Toronto, causing widespread flooding and major power outages. Streets, including the Don Valley Parkway, were submerged, stranding vehicles and cutting off key routes. At the height of the storm, 167,000 customers were without power, and restoration efforts are ongoing. The city received over 700 emergency calls for basement flooding, while the Toronto Fire Services rescued 12 people from the DVP, including one stranded on their car's roof. Heavy downpours brought up to 110 millimeters of rain, causing flash floods and hazardous conditions. The Toronto and Region Conservation Authority has issued a flood warning, urging residents to avoid all flooded areas and stay safe. With flash floods and power outages impacting daily life, it's crucial to stay informed and prepared for any further developments. Stay tuned for more updates, and remember, safety first, Toronto.